Hi, I'm Sam Villa, Redken Global Artistic Ambassador. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a donut braid using Control Addict 28. Control Addict 28 is our extra high hold hairspray. With a firm hold, it gives you lock style with that high hold feel of traditional hairspray. It's great for up styles and more structured styles that need to be locked in. Now let's get cracking with the technique. We're going to work with a donut. Once we pulled up the hair into a side ponytail, we place the donut inside. Now divide the hair in half. Take your finishing brush and now just brush out evenly to cover up the donut. Now once you feel the density is even, and we're going to simply take the elastic and place it right over the donut. Now don't be concerned about how clean you've got that. We're using this as a base. We're going to take our Control Addict 28 and now I want you to just spray. Notice how I spray with the grain of the hair in the way that it's placed. We're going to start at the top of the donut, take a section of hair, dividing into 3 simple sections. Now we're simply going to braid. So I'm going to work everything inside. Once I do 1 full revolution, come through, pick up some hair, and add to the center. Come through the opposite side, pick up some hair, add to the center. So we're feeding into the middle. Once I'm here in this position, tighten up, and tighten up. Now we're ready to continue. Notice how I continue to add hair, and you want to work with a soft tension. So we're just taking the concept of a simple bun and adding some visual value. And now once you've covered the donut, just continue to braid down. Last section, add, now continue braiding. Lastly, we're going to take an elastic, take a grip, sliding the grip inside the elastic, and now I'm just going to take it, roll, and then I'm going to take the pin right back up into it. Once you're there, now secure your side area. So remember, where you hold is where you pin, close off your side area. And voila, a finish up style that cries to be locked into place, and Control Addict 28 is my product of choice to lock this look in. Love to learn? Be sure to follow @Redken on Instagram for even more education.